Lanka, Pakistan, married Sri Lanka.
You know,
Here,
because
all mix.
Sri Lanka, before everywhere Sri Lanka girl here. If Sri Lanka love, in case happening love, after no disconnect, like this.
Yeah, I know.
Really?
Cannot.
Yeah.
Separate.
It's difficult, no? Here people need love, just
No,
this is not
that's true love. Now,
Yeah.
now just today here, tomorrow, not tomorrow, after 1 hour,
Yeah.
other girl,
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
No, people think suggestion.
Hi guys, today is Saturday and I have informed my boss that I will be working today because my friend and I are planning to go out Sunday. But my neighbor is looking for a sasakyan. I told her that I have no in car lift service, but when the car lift is arrived, she said that samahan mo ako kasi hindi ko kilala ang maneho na iyan. Kaya ayan guys, wala talaga sa plano na ngayong hapon ay napalabas ako, hindi na nga ako nakapagpalit. Samantala nung nasa sasakyan na kami ay mas sila pa ang nag-uusap dalawa dahil pa nila ang matagal nang magkakilala. Maghahatid kasi siya guys ng pagkain ng anak niya na bago lang dumating dito sa Dubai.
I know.
Separate.
It's difficult, no? Here people need love. It's their marriage. Because here we don't. My son, I know 100% he is good. But we arrange. 100% he is good.
All good.
No, 100%.
All good. She is good. I am
No,
good.
no,
But
my
it's
son, you
sometimes
know.
happening.
No,
Yeah.
my son.
All of us is
This
good,
is-
but sometimes there is a
No, in my country
misunderstanding.
also, my son is
This
not,
car,
not
this
like
car,
other.
I'm driving how many years? I'm driving here almost 20, 25, 26 years. Sometimes happening accident.
Yeah, accident.
Yeah, we don't know what the
No, but
now is okay, and then we don't know what the happening later or
we arrange
tomorrow or
nicely,
next.
we arrange and we discuss them. Then
I'm
they
love
will
married.
also. Huh?
I'm love married.
You love marriage.
Near neighbor.
Now I wanted to bring my son's girlfriend also here. I think after 4 months, my son.
But you know, the problem if it is arranged marriage and then
So yes guys, I keep private the conversation because I might have given a wrong suggestion to others regarding our conversation. Kasi iba-iba naman kasi ang ating mga paniniwala. Galing nga pala itong kapitbahay ko sa Sri Lanka at ako kasi yung taong walang pinipili na kaibigan, matanda man o bata, or hindi ko man kalahi ay kinakaibigan ko basta mabait siya sa akin.
When you go.
No, I want to go. I told you also, no. If he can go today also like that.
No, today is no because the duty of him is not finished.
When anytime weekdays after
Next
7, 8
Saturday,
like this, okay.
Next Saturday is he can go out, sa? You can go
Saturday?
out. Yeah, next Saturday.
Then we go.
Night.
Night is okay.
After-
Night is okay. Night after.
Oh, I cannot go.
Night anytime. After
Why you cannot go,
after
Eddie?
8, 9 o'clock.
Because I am in because I have a work in Jumeirah.
Every day, eh?
Yeah.
When you free?
Oh. Because you know, if I am going outside, I expend whole day, not night. Because she is only going night.
No, I can go anytime now. My family not here.
anytime.
You can, it's okay. We will arrange to go.
Okay, but not this month because this month is I am working in Jumeirah.
How will you go to Merapar?
They are picking me and dropping me.
So, lucky girl.
Yeah, I am working in there, but they pick me and drop. That's why, you know, I don't want to go out today, but she's forcing me. And then I'm pity to her because she don't know you.
No, now I can go with him.
Okay.
next time.
His name is Latif and Davy. Okay,
Yeah,
meet.
then-
And then
No, if
we all
I,
become a friends.
You see, if I call my other friend, then we both can go fish market.
Mm,
I will ask, nobody like to go, nobody like to spend money for car lift. Why these people bucky like this? I don't know why. Only lady is asking, oh nobody, we can no money. Why this?
no,
I don't
because
like
you know,
to hear like that.
because you know, somebody's want to, if they are going outside and then they are spending whole day.
You see, every Sunday I am going out, I spend money for my things like this. This is life like this. What people do like
Yeah, we are working and then spending.
Yeah, I have no problem. I don't want to give to my children. They all are doing job. Then what I enjoy, then I send some for my
The
husband.
sum you will send, and then the sum you must need to enjoy.
Yeah.
For me, that's why I cannot spend so
Every
much.
Saturday you have part time.
No, not Saturday. Yani weekdays. Monday to Friday.
Then next Saturday you can't.
So we stopped by the grocery store first to buy things for her job. I told her that hurry up because I'm the type of person who picks up things even it's not necessary or important. And then that's why we are like running in the supermarket. Lalo na guys, pag para sa mga anak ko, o di kaya para sa bahay na ipinapagawa ko. Ayun, dampot ako ng dampot kahit hindi naman importante. Samantala, pagka uwi ko ng bahay ay pagsisihan ko yung mga pinagkukuha-kuha ko. Kaya ayan, para na kaming naghahabulan. Sabi ko, bilisan mo kaya ayokong magtingin-tingin. Especially guys, when it's sale, that's the moment that I'm really want to get something.
I will take the potato. You will take the onion. More?
Just little bit, yeah, more.
Don't take more. Only little. Only little. Take only little and then she will... For now, is take the only little. Sorry?
I'm not really picky about friends, guys. Even if someone is not of the same race, we are magkaiba ang lahi. I befriend them as long as they are friendly. So, yun na nga guys. I don't really want to go out today because my friend and I have plans tomorrow to go out. But this person is napakapilit. Pinilit talaga niya ako na sumama. Kung ano-ano na lang ang sinasabi niya. Basta samahan ko siya ngayong araw na ito.